everyone. I am Rajesh Sharma in front of. Now today we discuss about an important topic in the chapter number 5, Newton's law of motion, and what will be the effect of the acceleration due to gravity in the different condition to like as the weight of body in the different direction to upward or downward. The easier example of the acceleration due to gravity and how will be function at the body, now it will be easily represented by the apparent weight of man in lift. We know that if the body to go in upward direction, the acceleration due to gravity, the value of small g will be negative. Before the peak point, the body to be accelerate rapidly because the velocity to be increased. But a peak point in that time, the body will be take a little amount of time and it will be in the rest motion. In that time, the acceleration of the body to be 0. Now we discuss about the first case, when the body to go in upward direction in lift, like as. When person or body moved in upward direction in lift. It was generally represented by a diagram like this. If the normal reaction force is always function at the body and applied the center of gravity or the gravitational force at the point, and the weight of body is function at. If the body to go in upward direction, then the value of small g will be negative and the body to be accelerate, their value of a will be positive, and we can be represented in this term r minus w is equal to f. If the capital R that will be represented the normal reaction force and w that was the weight of the person to moved in the upward direction in the lift, and the applied force at the body is ma and body to be accelerated rapidly. Therefore, the normal reaction force R is equal to mg plus ma. Then R is equal to mg plus a. That is the generally component of the body to go in upward direction, and we identify to the value of normal reaction force acceleration due to gravity too easy. In another case, when the body to go in downward direction, then what will be the component to be identified? We identify the value of the component in this term. If the body go in downward direction, then the value of small g will be positive and the acceleration to be changed, that will be the negative. We identify to the value in this term w minus r is equal to f mg minus r is equal to f. Then we identify to the value r is equal to mg minus ma. We identify the value of normal reaction force in this term, m is equal to g minus a. If the body go in the downward direction in this term, when the body go in upward and the body to be go in the downward direction, then the acceleration of the body to be changed and it will be converted in form of positive to negative, because when the body go in the downward direction, the acceleration of the body is decreased rapidly and the value of the gravity acceleration to increase, and we stabilize the component mg minus r is equal to F. The applied force of the body, that is F, it is also behave as the thrust, but in the downward direction, that is the thrust, but in the upward direction it is also behave as thrust. Therefore, the component of the body to go in downward direction, now we stabilize mg minus r is equal to F. Then we stabilize the relation capital R is equal to mg minus ma. The value of small m to be common in this side, and we identified with the value of capital R is equal to mg minus a. That is the component for the body in the lift go in the downward direction. Now we discuss about the another case. If the body to be reached at the peak point, and what will be the component is stabilized. That is the third case, when body reached at peak point, then the applied normal reaction force, and what will be changed in the value of acceleration. We know that if the body go in peak point, and it will be take the little amount of time, and the value of acceleration to be 0. If the body reached at the peak point, and the value of g will be negative, and we stabilize the relation r minus mg is equal to F. R minus mg, then the acceleration of body to be 0, then the normal reaction force is also equal to Re. Because in the time the body is in the rest motion at the point that is generally peak point. To like us take any point O. In that time the body will be in rest, then acceleration of body to be 0, and it will be the person is weight is always equal to the normal reaction. Another case, if the body is generally free fall. In the free fall case, we know that the body is generally go in the downward direction and apply the force. We know that R minus mg is equal to F. In that term, g is equal to A, and the body to be the downward direction, therefore the value of negative sign to be changed, and it will be the positive if the value of mg minus m, we can be written in that form to like it. If g is equal to A or A equal to g, then the relation to be stabilized mg minus m. We know that the g is equal to A because body is generally free fall or weightless, then the applied normal reaction force of the body, that is generally m is common in the side, and g is equal to A, g minus g. Then the component is g. We know that what is the normal reaction force? That is always equal to the applied force at the body of the weight. It is always equal to the weight. If the normal reaction force of the body is applied at any object is 0, then person to be feel is weightless or free fall. The different example in our daily life, that was the weightless or free fall. To like as when the person is running on the oily surface, when we applied the force on the surface by their feet, the center of gravity will be changed their position and the normal reaction force of the body to be zero, then person is also feel at the weightless. In another form, when the spacecraft go in the upward direction in space, the astronauts is also feel at the weightlessness condition, because in that time the normal reaction force of the body to be zero and person is feel at the weightless or free fall. That was a different case to be applied of the body in the term of lift upward, downward to reach at the peak point in the rest motion, and when the normal reaction force of the body is zero, that is the condition of the free fall or weightless. The phenomena is generally represented by the different types of the numerical problem to like this. For example, a person go in upward direction with help of lift. If the mass of body is 50 kg and the acceleration of the lift is 5 meter per second square and the value of a small g is given 10 meter per second. So what will be the value of the normal reaction force applied at the body? We know that the component R is equal to mg g plus a. If the body moved in upward direction, therefore the mass of body is 50 kg and the value of small g is 10 and the acceleration is given 5. We identified to the value of normal reaction force, that was the 750 Newton. It is the easier example to be identified to the value of normal reaction force when the weight of the body to be go in the upward direction. And similarly, if the body go in the downward direction, then component to be changed to like as, if the downward, then acceleration to be the negative and value of g will be positive, then our component is stabilized R mg minus a. We know that the value of mass is 50 and the gravity acceleration is 10 meter per second square and the value of acceleration is 5, then our component to be changed 250 Newton. The normal reaction of the same body in the downward direction is 250, but in the upward direction its value is maximum and it will be 750 Newton. Okay students, that was the total concept of the